In this video, we'll explore how to send emails from Node.js applications. We'll focus on utilizing NodeMailer, a powerful and easy-to-use module, to add robust email functionality to your projects. Let's dive in and see how to get started. We will be using NodeMailer. NodeMailer is a module for Node.js that allows you to send emails very easily. It provides a simple application programming interface, also known as API, that simplifies the process of sending emails, handling attachments, and managing various email-related tasks. It supports multiple transport methods, meaning it can work with different email service providers. It is one of the most used email solutions for Node.js. Before we start using NodeMailer, we need to install it in our project. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to your project directory, and run the command npm install NodeMailer. This command downloads and installs the NodeMailer package along with its dependencies, making it available for use in your project. This is the first step to start with the NodeMailer. Now that we have NodeMailer installed, let's set up the basic code required to send emails. First, we need to import the NodeMailer module into our script using the require function. Then we create a transporter object using the createTransport method. This object is responsible for handling the connection to our email service provider. Configure your email service credentials such as user email and password. With the transporter set up, we can now define the email message we want to send. We create an object called MailOptions to specify various properties of the email, such as the sender's address, recipient's address, subject, and content. You can define the sender, recipient, subject, and content of the email here. The content can be plain text or HTML. Now that we have configured the email options, it's time to send the email. We use the sendMail method of the transporter object, passing in the MailOptions object as the first argument. We also provide a callback function that will be executed after the email is sent. This callback function receives two arguments, error and info. If there is an error sending the email, the error argument will contain the error details. Otherwise, the info argument will contain information about the email that was sent. Here's a complete example of how to send emails using NodeMailer. First, we require the NodeMailer module. Then we create a transporter object with our email service credentials. Next, we define the MailOptions object with the sender, recipient, subject, and content of the email. Finally, we call the sendMail method to send the email, along with a callback function to handle any errors or log a successful send. NodeMailer comes with lots of key features. It supports sending attachments along with your emails. It also supports rich formatting of emails using HTML and CSS styling. You can send emails to multiple recipients using CC and BCC options. It also offers security features such as OAuth 2.0 and supports SSL/TLS encryption. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.